Thank you again for watching our videos here at National Gear Repair. As you can clearly see, this is a German PIV chain link driven gearbox that we are doing a remanufacture. Putting all new chains, new bearings, repairing some gearing and regrinding, repairing shaft seal areas, bearing wearing surfaces are worn. We're going to have to repair and reline bore, completely sandblast and repaint this box with epoxy for rust protection and condensation reasons on the inside and outside. Please stay tuned to watch a step-by-step video tutorial of our repair and testing of this gearbox. Thank you again for watching here at National Gear Repair. Please subscribe to our videos for any updates on different types, brands, makes, and models of gearboxes that we repair on a normal standard basis. Thank you. And thank you once again for visiting us here at National Gear Repair. Please don't forget to subscribe to all our videos. Here's a PIV chain link gearbox rebuild that we did. One of our clients saved our client over $40,000 from buying new bearings, new seals, repaired shaft seal areas, relined board the bearing areas, replaced some chains, and not mistaken, I think we might have reground one or two of the sprockets on the inside. So please stay tuned, and please make sure to subscribe to all our videos here at National Gear Repair. Thank you again for watching. Bye. Okay, you're good, man. Thanks.